This is group 1, and I'm the group leader, Mike Wang, is Miss Mike. And our team member, we formed with 11 people, and they are Hasway here, and Oliver, and Andy, and Jamie, and Jacob, and Hallie, and Liu Yurei, and Miracle, and this is our group member, a member, yeah. And so we to the next. And the first question is, what is the regulation regarding truck speed in China? It's a good problem. And we, according to some laws we can got, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types. And the mini trucks, total mass less than 1.8 tons. And the light trucks, total mass 1.8 and 2 to 6 tons. And the medium truck, total mass is 6 to 14 tons. And the heavy truck, total mass 14 to 100 tons. And the super heavy truck, the total mass is more than 100 tons.
We are group 2, and our topic is data sharing. The first part, I will introduce some regulations about personal information in China. The number of regulations about personal information in China is quite limited. Only the following international law directly stipulate the protection of personal information. The first, Personal Information Protection Law. It came into effect this month. Second, the Passport Law of the People's Republic of China. Third, ID Card Law of the People's Republic of China. And here are some departmental regulations that directly refer to the protection of personal information.
Because of COVID-19, we are not able to do in classroom like the first 2 groups. So we meet this online.
Hello, Professor. We are Group 4. Today, our group wants to give an introduction of 3 key digital technologies. They are Internet of Things, blockchain, and the physical Internet. Let me start with Internet of Things. What's Internet of Things? To put it simply, Internet connects human with human, and Internet of Things connects the devices we use. For example, we want to let our mobile phone to communicate with the air conditioner. Internet of Things requires 3 key components for its success. They are devices, connectivity, and cloud. Sensors are inserted in the devices we use. It collects the data from us and other devices. Then the data it collects is going to be transmitted. This step is crucial, and that's why we are talking about how 5G is going to change the world.
to talk about autonomous vehicle regulations in China. And our contents will divide it into 3 different parts. The first part is autonomous vehicle regulations in China. And second, we'll give some examples. And finally is the automatic truck. So first, at present, everyone, China's automatic driving vehicle is still in the open road test stage and has not been formally put into daily life. Therefore, the existing legal norms do not specifically stipulate this, and the published content is only used for the road test of autonomous vehicles and some industry standards. But the revision of the existing road traffic safety law, privacy protection, and network information security, and some other aspects need to be developed and improved. Therefore, the automatic driving vehicle should comply with the general regulations of road driving and motor vehicle test. And in recent years, in order to promote the development of the auto driving industry, the State Council issued the documents Made in China 2025 and the medium and long-term development part plan for the auto industry. Here are some specific regulations. The first one is expressly stipulates that automatic driving vehicles on roads should obtain temporary pass. And second is clearly stipulate that the test run shall not be carried out on the expressway.
The third part is the introduction of the laws and regulations of autonomous driving trucks. Due to the rise of labor cost, demand for truck drivers has increased. To meet rising demand and reduce accidents, China will accelerate the industry's request for help from autonomous driving.
Okay, so thank you very much for this presentation. As far as I'm concerned, I'm working for several years on the field of autonomous vehicle experiments, and I was blind about China condition. So with your presentation, I know much more. And I have a question. Do you have, first, I think, what is the most advanced region in China? Is it the Shenzhen, for instance, or Beijing, or Shanghai?
There is a test scheduled in Tianjin for test platoons. But there are also some autonomous trucks used in maybe Shenzhen, Shanghai for transport some cargos.
Hello everyone, we will introduce long-distance transport of goods in China. These are our group members and division of labor. We divided the contents into 2 parts. The first part is for basic situations of long-distance transportation, and these 4 problems are the problems what the professor put forward to. And the second part is the impact of the activity on China's long-distance transportation and China EU logistics business.
Let me show you the second policy that's called Layout and Construction Plan for National Logistics Hub. In this plan, there are with certain basic conditions are selected as the carrying cities of national logistics hubs, and more than 200 national logistics hubs are planned to be built in combination with the basic pattern of domestic logistics corridors. The plan will take multimodal transport function as one of the elements of the layout and construction of national logistics hubs, and provides the rapid assembly and distribution between hubs through multimodal transport transit facilities.
Thank you for your presentation. So now this is the end of our session today. We had 6 very interesting presentations. We understand that you spent some time to prepare them and to prepare PowerPoint with a very good quality. Now Victor and I, we need to get your presentation, so please transfer to your professors and they will send us.
Yes, if you can transfer the presentation to Cathy, then Cathy will send us your presentation.
And it was very interesting once more. So now it's time for us, Victor, to discuss about each presentation, our feeling, and the march we propose. And as far as I'm concerned, I would like to say you good afternoon, or good evening, I don't know. And maybe we'll see you once more time to provide you the answer to your questions.
Okay, bye-bye to everybody.
Yes, thanks, professors. And because Mr. Liu have some, is still on the meeting, and she asked me to show the best gratitude to you, and because this special situation because of COVID-19, and show our the best thanks to you and Victor, Mr. Victor, and all the students show the gratitude to you. And bye bye.